What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, man. King Leado. It's been a while I haven't made video for you guys, so today I decided to make a video real quick. In this video I'm gonna talk to you guys about my 5, is it 5 or more? Probably more than that. I'm gonna talk to you guys about my issues that I had since I own a Ford Explorer. Okay, this one is a Ford Explorer 2016. I know it's outdated and I need to switch it to a, probably gonna get a newer one. But anyway, let's talk about the issues that I have with my Ford Explorer. Before I even start, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. Let's go straight to it, man, and check out my other videos. So let's go straight to it. All right, first issue I have with my Ford Explorer. Okay, let's go straight to it right here. So as you guys can see, this one is up, right? And I forgot how you call that thing, but we was driving on the highway and then guess what? That sucker just flew. Okay, it just flew. So I went on Amazon looking for one to fix it, for a replacement, and I find this one. I tried my best to fix it, but it did not fix. It did not fix right. And then I went to the dealership, and they say they couldn't find the original part or whatever. So that's why now it stayed like that. I tried to fix it. It's not flying no more, but it stayed like that. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one with a Ford Explorer that this thing flat out of while driving. So that's my first issue with my Ford Explorer. All right, so now let's go to my second issue with my Ford Explorer. My second issue with my Ford Explorer is right here. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reason this thing is starting to, to rip off right here. Okay, it was all brand new when I get it, and for some reason it started here. So now I need to replace that part. All right, I need to replace that part. It's the top console. Okay, so now let's go to the other issue. All right, so third issue with my Ford Explorer. Okay, as you guys can see, when I started, it says something about my tire pressure monitor. Okay, and then here, as you guys can see here, that bad boy is flashing. So I need to change the tire pressure. When you go here, right, I don't know if you guys can really see, but when you go here, as you guys can see, it's not reading. None of them is reading. So that's mean if there's 4 of them tire pressure sensor that I have to change, so I have to change all 4 sensors because none of them are reading. Okay, and when you start it, it's flashing, it's gonna stop flashing by itself. Okay, so that's my third one, right? So let's go with my fourth issue. The airbag light. Okay, the airbag light, I know how to fix it. There's a sensor back there that I have to, disconnect and reconnect it again. Okay, I think it's right here. That sensor right here, I have to disconnect it and reconnect it again. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a sensor right, okay, it's too dark. Yeah, I can see it, but there's a sensor under the seat right there. Okay, that's what you need to disconnect and reconnect it again, and then the airbag light gonna go away, right? But it gets so annoying, man. I keep doing it every time, and it gets to a point I'm like, you know what, it's whatever, I just leave it on. I just don't fix it no more. I just leave it on. Okay, so yeah, that's my other issue. Okay, now let's go to the next issue. we're gonna go straight to it. Okay, and then I'm gonna save the biggest issue for last. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys about the biggest issue and how much money I spent. Okay, my lift gate, right? All right, so today is a lucky day. You know why I say that? Because this sucker goes up, but guess what? It goes up whenever it feel like it. Sometimes it don't want to go up. Okay, so sometimes when you press it, it's not going up, so you have to do it by force. Now there go another issue I got with my Ford Explorer. This thing just goes up by itself. Okay, when you push it, it's not gonna stay. So I guess there's like a clip right here that I have to try to see what's going on with it. But to be honest, I haven't done that. So I'm thinking that I have to switch that, fix that switch, that clip thing. Okay, so that's another issue I got with my Ford Explorer. All right, so what else? I'm trying to save the best for last. Okay, so what other issue I had with my Ford Explorer? Oh, okay, another issue I had with my Ford Explorer. Okay, the AC blow here. Okay, it's blow there, it's blow everywhere else. The only places it's not blowing, it's under my feet. Okay, the only places it's not blowing is under my feet. Like if you go in, like if you push it, oh, under my feet and on top. If you push it up, it's not gonna blow. It used to, but now it's not working. I know what's the issue is, but I'm so lazy that I don't even fix it. Okay, I don't even fix it. That's laziness. Okay, but I know what the issue is. I know what I need to change and everything, but I don't fix it. So it's not working up and it's not working down there. So after that, it's working everywhere else. It's blowing everywhere else. Okay, so that's another issue with my Ford Explorer. And then the other issue I had with my Ford Explorer was the water pump. Oh my god, the water pump was the biggest issue with my Ford Explorer. Okay, so I had to change the water pump, and guess how much money I spent on the water pump? It cost me $3,000. Okay, if $3,000 and some change to replace the water pump. $3,000 and some change to replace the water pump. So that's why you guys always have to check your car, because sometimes your water pump goes out, you don't even know. So that's why before you start your car, especially the ladies, before you start your car, always make sure you look under the car. Always make sure you look under the car, because that's the only way you're gonna know if your car is leaking. And yeah, that's the only way. If it's water, when you turn on the AC, of course it's gonna leak water. But if you see any leak that's look black or kind of red, make sure you touch it, and then so you can feel it, see if it's oil or if it's water. If it's oil, something is leaking. If it's not, well, it's your AC. So yes guys, these was the issues that I had with my 2016 Ford Explorer. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment if you like that kind of video, and then make sure you watch my other videos. Like I said, this channel is about cars, and it's mostly for women that don't know what to do with the cars when there's an issue, and I try to help you guys. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. I'm out.